In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on your autocomplete that will help you with your data entry here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you're actually trying to fill out the rest of your data, but you're continuously typing the same thing, here's how you can turn on your autocomplete that would help Google Sheets recognize what you're trying to type and complete it for you. So in this example data set, I do have some blank cells that I'm going to still fill out with some corresponding data that are repeated on these columns right here. For example, for the city, I do have some 4 repeating locations, which are Seattle, Boston, Dallas, and Chicago. So what I want to happen would be if I type in my C and H and I, it will give me that suggestion and I can simply press enter and there you have it. If I put in DA, there you go. It automatically registers that within this column, the only data that starts with the letter D would be Dallas. If I press enter, it automatically completes that word for me. If I type in S, there we have it. The auto suggestion or the autocomplete is already there. Unless it's of course something else. If you type in an S and then an A, it recognizes that it's a completely different data that you're trying to enter. But if we remove that and type in the E, again, it auto-completes it for you based on the existing data from that column. So how do we turn this on? Simply go to your tools here in the menu bar and select suggestion controls. Here we have a lot of suggestions that we can enable to help us optimize our data, especially with data entry. It suggests formulas or corrections for formulas. And of course, the most basic one would be to autocomplete whatever data you're trying to enter in that cell. At the moment, it's already checked, but if it's not checked with your options, just click on it and it will automatically be enabled or turned on. So I actually turned it off by clicking on it. If I try and type something right here, let's say PayPal, with that P, if that option was enabled, it should be suggesting PayPal right here. It would be spelling out AYPAL, but it's not since, again, it's turned off. If we turn it back on, again, that's your tools, suggestion controls, and at the very top, enable autocomplete. So it's now turned on. If I try and type in, let's say, a different word, debit, there you go. From the letter D, it already has suggested a data that is found within that column to complete your entry. So if we press enter, let's try credit. There you go. Again, press enter, or you can also just press your right arrow key. There you have it. Let's try with the other column right here. If I go to product, type in L. There you go. Automatically, it suggests and complete that entry for you. Press enter. Move on to the next one. If I type in the letter M, mechanical keyboard is already completed and you can just press enter. Let's try for this one. Delivered. There you go. And if it is a name, let's try Emily. There you have it. And that's how easy it is. You can turn on or enable your autocomplete right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and I will see you in the next one.